Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active and your Mac and TV share the same network. Open the AirPlay icon in the menu bar. If you don't see it, go to System Settings, then Displays. Once done, select the target device, Apple TV or a compatible smart TV, from the list. You're making a direct connection now, so keep the devices within normal range and avoid guest networks because the Mac needs a stable, discoverable peer to begin streaming. After connecting, decide how you want the screen, mirror for identical views, or use it as a separate display to extend your desktop. Open display settings to change resolution and scaling so text and UI elements aren't too large or small. Then set audio to the TV under sound output so video plays with sound on the remote display. Make sure refresh rate is appropriate, higher for video, standard for slides. Once arranged, drag windows or apps to the new screen to confirm proper placement and performance. To end the session, click the AirPlay icon and choose Turn off AirPlay or Stop mirroring from displays. You can also press Command plus F1 as a quick toggle. If you notice lag, reduce the mirrored resolution, close bandwidth-hungry apps, or move closer to the router to improve throughput. If the TV doesn't appear, reboot the Mac and the display, reconnect Wi-Fi, and confirm both devices use the same Apple ID or network. These steps fix most issues. Try them one at a time to identify the cause.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.